Guys, good day. Another problem sa math again. This time sa probability. Okay, so question is, bag contains 5 red, 4 blue, and 3 green marbles, a total of 12. Okay, if one marble is drawn at random, what is the probability it is A red and B not green? Okay, yung probability, tatandaan nyo lang, is formula favorable outcomes over total outcomes. Yun lang. Okay, pag probability. So, okay, so ang red, yung favorable outcomes ng red is 5. So 5, yung total number of outcomes is 5 plus 4 plus 3, which is 12. Yung total number, so the answer is 5 over 12. Okay, yun lang, kasimple. Letter B, what is the probability that it is not green? Okay, so meaning not green, anong not green dyan? Okay, anong hindi green dyan? Syempre yung red and blue. So red and blue, yung 5 and 4, divide nyo sa 12. This is, okay, 9 over 12. Ano lang, yun lang. So pag ito, gawin ninyong percentage, this is pag decimal, this is 0.4166 pala, or 41.66%. So ito naman, 9 divided by 12 is common number is 3, so this is 0.75 or 75%. Okay, ganun lang, simple. Ito lang tatandaan nyo. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you like my videos. Okay, so share it so that others can watch it. Okay, there is a YouTube page in the pin, nakapin siya sa page ko. Okay, so you can rewatch my video sa YouTube na lang kasi naka playlist naman yun. Okay, thank you and see you.